Dun, dun, dun. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to kick off Project S2K by giving this car a full exterior detail and cleaning up all the blemishes. So nothing too exciting in this video. We're just gonna go over and take a look at the before and after. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. All right, first thing we got to do is we got to move out these cars and get this a little further down out there so that we don't get water pulled up in our spot here. Alright, got our setup update here. Nothing too crazy. Typical 2-bucket wash. Got our rinse bucket and our soap bucket and our power washer there and our foam can right there. So yeah, basically what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go through, do a wash, and then after that we're gonna do a clay bar to get all the grit and everything off. So nothing too crazy. Plenty of detailing videos out there already. Sorry for the fan noise. But yeah, let's go ahead and get her all cleaned up. Okay, so we've got the car with our first wash pass. Now we've got some clay bar. We're gonna soak it again in some soap and use the clay bar to get the contaminants off. That's gonna wrap up part one of today's cleanup. Tomorrow we're gonna come back, polish and ceramic coat the entire car. But yeah, it's really amazing what just a wash and a clay bar will do for the car's paint. Let me show you kind of how much shinier it is now with just a clay bar. All right, so here's the paint. And it's honestly really amazing, just nice and smooth. There are like a couple of micro scratches here and there, but that's what the polish tomorrow will take care of. So I'll catch you guys in the next part. Alrighty, welcome back to day 2 of cleaning up Project S2K. So where we last left off, we had finished washing it and doing a complete clay bar of the entire car and getting rid of all of our dirt on top. So we still have a couple of scratches left, I think, but otherwise that clay bar did wonders. It did reveal a couple of flaws. We have some paint chips, but I mean, 18-year-old car, can't complain too much. So next up, we are going to do a polish and then ceramic coat. I originally was going to do a deeper cut, but after clay barring and taking a look at the paint, it's really not that bad. I think we can get away with just a polish for now. So yeah, let's set you guys down on the tripod and start getting to work. Alright, for this polish, we're going to be using Meguiar's 205. I've heard great things about this, so I think people typically use this for just doing a polish. So yeah, we're going to start off with this and then see how it looks once we take a pass at the hood. Alright, update. We finished the hood just now, and here's the paint. I would say for just a light polish, it's coming up pretty good. I think I could have probably started with a more aggressive polish, but you know, it's Honda paint. I don't want to go too hard on it. It's an 18-year-old car. I don't expect it to be perfect. So yeah, that's the hood. We're gonna do the rest of the car. I'll put you guys on a bit of a time lapse for the rest of the car, and then after that, we're gonna move on to ceramic coating it. So I'll see you guys once we start ceramic coating. Ooh, excuse me. Okay, so it's been about an hour and a half of polishing, and I would say came out pretty decent for only a light polish. Mainly there was like a scratch back here. It's still there, but it's definitely cleaned up a little bit better. I'll throw an image of how it was before, but yeah, I mean, nothing too complicated, just a light cutting pad and a polish. So now we're gonna go and ceramic coat the rest of the car now. Okay, so for our ceramic coat, we are using just something off of Amazon. This was about $30 or so, and I've used this on the Accord and it's held up fine for 2 years. Again, this being an 18-year-old car, paint's already not that perfect. I just want to protect what's already there. It'll probably get a respray at some point in the future. Shh, it'll come in the future. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and apply this to the car and buff it off. Put you on a time lapse. Alright guys, nothing too crazy with this. We're just going to apply it onto the applicator pad and then onto the car, let it dry for a minute or two, and then buff it off. It's about to rain, and we are just about done with ceramic coating the car. So I'm gonna insert some B-roll of the car once it's not raining. So here's the B-roll. That's gonna do it for today's video. Not really too detailed, pun intended, on detailing a car, just because I think there's plenty of other videos out there that explain it very well, and I can't explain detailing too well just because I'm not the best at it. So this is the beginning of Project S2K. If you guys found this video you know, fun to watch, hit that like and subscribe button. Otherwise, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.